Alright, so here's a quick lesson for us. So if you're having trouble with trend identification and you've got the trend is say down on one time frame, but we're getting a corrective, let's have a look at a way that we can determine when this rejoins the trend. So let's jump into the charts, folks. So here we've got a chart of euro dollar. So we've got an uptrend on the weekly, but we've got a downtrend on the daily. So the downtrend starts here, this point. Here's the range. But then we've got this corrective through here. So really, we're looking for the corrective to break the last anchor of the corrective in there. So we want to see this break. So often, and in this case, the euro dollar, we see here that we had a doji candle showing us indecision at that point. Right, so let's have a look a little bit clearer right here. So indecision candle here. Now, one of the easier ways that I find is if this is a daily swing, we'll often find that the 4 hour actually trends up and then starts to trend back down. So let's zoom into the 4 hour and let's have a look at what we're seeing. So the 4 hour, so we've got the dailies down. So here's the 4 hour anchor right here. So there is our little pause through the anchor, and that was the trade that we looked at a while last week. So at this point here, we're uptrending. So so now we've got an uptrend on the 4 hour. So where's the last anchor now on the 4 hour chart? Trend anchor, it's right here. So daily's down, the bigger picture's down. The daily's giving us this corrective. And this area here is the last swing on the daily, which so happens to be, and often is, the anchor, trend anchor on the 4 hour. So at this point here, trend is up. At this point here, price acceptance below here resumes the downtrend. So with that in mind, we saw a little bit of stop hunt. We even zoomed in here and we saw the stop runs, the liquidity runs and the shakeouts. But now we can clearly see that we have price acceptance through here. Close of the bar even better. So now we're in a downtrending environment. Daily's down. 4 hour is resuming the downtrend. So we're looking for now just any opportunity to get short. Here's the trusty 20 period. We use that as our visual guide. So you can see here there's a lot of messing around went on in here. So you've got to be careful when this rejoins the trend, because often around these areas be a bit of indecision and traps. So these are the areas to be careful of. So I hope that clarifies a couple of things, folks, and helps you in your own trading. All right, see you in the next lesson.